I'm going to show you this dropshipping
life hack
that started making me $1,000 a day in sales. What is up, guys? Y'all know who it is? Just kidding, you don't, because I have like 2 subscribers. But I'm Spencer Twitchell, for those of you who don't know me, and in this video I'm going to help you take this number and turn it into this number. Don't let these numbers intimidate you. Even if you're just getting started, this might just be the thing that gets you your first sale. Now, if you're new to my channel, first, welcome. I appreciate you coming here. But on this channel, I make all sorts of videos about dropshipping, making money on Instagram, and other ways of securing the online bag. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer and I'm going to show you guys how I started making $1,000 a day. Okay guys, here I have the store. This is for the month of December, but I can't show you exactly what the store name is or what the link is or anything because I'm still actively running ads on it and I'm not going to let you guys screw up my data. I'm sorry, but I don't want it to get ruined as a result of showing it on this channel. Maybe if you go down and smash that like button right now, I'll do a full reveal of the store in a future video. I don't know, we'll see. Depends, you just gotta go smash that like button. But anyways, here it is. These are the actual analytics for the month of December, and I'm gonna refresh it for you guys, show it's legit. And yeah, here you go. We made $20,000 in revenue this month. That's not all profit. My profit margin is it's actually not that high for this store. It's about 10-15%, but that's okay. Just as you can see here, I scaled it I started at like 200, 300 a day with a little spike here, but then we kept going up and we started making $1,000 a day pretty consistently. Had a little dip, but that was because of my Facebook ads, some problem with that. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how I went from here at this little stage and took it to here. Before I show you the change that consistently got me more money on my store, I need to explain a mathematical concept that you should be looking at in your store. Now that I'm wearing these sunglasses, I realize that they are not in fact glasses, which I thought would make me look like a intellectual, but instead I'm here looking like a ding dong. This concept is very simple. We're going to be comparing the number of people who come to our store with the amount of people who actually buy from our store. So, for a hypothetical example, let's say that our selling price is $20. You got 400 people to visit your store in one day. Awesome, great. But your conversion rate is 2%. That would give you, with the $20 product, 8 sales in the one day and $160 in revenue. Alright, now let's say on another day, you only bring in 200 people to your store, but you get a 4% conversion rate, which would again, 8 sales and $160 in revenue. You're probably getting where I'm heading with this now, but I'm going to say it anyway. As a store owner, you need to focus on getting the 400 people to come to your store and get the 4% conversion rate, because that gets you 16 sales and $320 in revenue. So this is huge because you can get 4 out of every 100 people to make a purchase on your store instead of the 2 out of every 100 people. You just doubled your profits without any extra advertising. Incredible. Now, I realized this, but then I got to the next big question. How do I get my conversion rate up? And the answer to that, my friends, is the skill that I've learned and I'm about to show you guys. And without further ado, that skill is copywriting. Yay! But the copywriting I'm talking about refers to the writing that is meant to sell your product, whether that be on your ad, your product page, your store, whatever. Anything that is there to sell the product. That's copywriting. In other words, it's how you sell through what you write. Using the right words to sell your product, rather than just describing it, is the key factor to make your conversion rate go up. There are many elements of copywriting that people spend years studying, and I can't cover all of that in this video. But there is one core concept that I want to get through to you guys, and this is the one thing I want you guys to take away from this video. Get out your notes, whether it be on your phone. Actually, don't do that because then you'd swipe out of the video, but get a piece of paper or something because it's going to be important. Okay, here's the juice. You want to take the description and appeal to the buyer's emotions and how it's going to make them feel, rather than describing the product in a way that just says, oh, this is the best product ever. To illustrate my point, I'm going to give you guys a few examples with, let's say, the posture corrector. So the two different descriptions might say, our posture corrector comes in all sizes and is made of the best quality material ever. Versus, imagine the feeling of never having to think about your posture again. From the first time you use our posture brace, you'll notice a difference immediately. Which do you think would sell better? Applying this concept to your store's product page will help it tremendously. Okay, as proof of this concept working, we're gonna hop back into my store here. You can see it on the screen. So I put in this change on the 17th, like late in the day, and you can see here my conversion rate was 3%. A little better, but compared to my average. But I'm gonna show you the week before, so the 10th to the 16th. And that was overall 2.24%. Not very good, but got some sales, but not that many with a lower conversion rate. But if we go from the 17th to the 23rd, which is, I added it on the 17th, so if we include that, it's here. You can see that it's a 3.53% conversion rate, which is just insane. It went up by like almost 50%. More than 50% actually. That's just nuts. And I didn't do anything besides change my storefront, and I am getting so many more sales now as a result. And on December 18th, a historic day for me. You can see this is the first real day after this went live. I got my first $1,000, even more than that, almost $1,200 with a 5% conversion rate, which is absolutely insane. And you can't, like, the first time you get $1,000 a day, it's just phenomenal. Like, this was the first time for me ever, and I was just stoked. Overall, if there is one thing you take away from this video, is that you should focus on getting your conversion rate up, because that just means more pesos. If this video helped you in any way, leave a thumb. But if this video sucked, leave a dislike. Regardless, I am grateful that you guys are still here with me. If you guys have any lasting questions that you want to ask, just leave them in the comments below. Or if you have any video ideas or anything you want to see, just let me know. And if you're feeling extra special, you can click that big red button. You know, the one that says subscribe. You can do that too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.